I like the little archway. Yeah, this is like a lot more peaceful though than like the front ever is. You seem way too friendly, dude. It's concerning. Where are you going? Alrighty then, I'll just leave you alone. We're gonna go down to the river. No, I didn't notice he was there. He's big.
Watch out for the rock. There it is, high watermark for flood.
Really big floating leaf and I was scared. It's definitely a spider web. Bro, where's the water at? Tell us. They're really cool though, because that has no bark halfway up, and this one's like completely white. I like the vines growing up that tree though. I wonder what they serve there. Damn, she thick. Oh my god. We're using Josh's comparison. This is probably the biggest tree, like the thickest tree I've ever seen in my whole life. What'd you find? Oh, that one's kind of sparkly too. I don't know, I guess this is all the garbage that people have pulled out of the river. I wonder if people like swim in this. It's the Meramec River.
Yep. It's the river we were next to when we went to the cabin. I don't even know if he's in the picture. There he is. Boop, boop.
He's cute.
I don't think so.
Can't really see much, but we just hiked from down there. Wish we could hike more, but I'm really tired. It was sitting in the door the whole time. It just exploded on me. I don't know about going to the loop or whatever. We'll have to do that at a different time.
That's fine.